In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on Clickup. Whether you're trying to focus on tasks without interruptions or simply prefer to work in peace, learning how to adjust your online status can be a real game changer. Let's dive into the process so you can regain some quiet time without distractions. To get started, log into your Clickup account on your preferred browser. Once you're in, take a moment to look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon prominently displayed there. Click on this icon to open the Profile Settings menu, which will give you access to several options related to your profile activities and settings. Now, in the menu that appears, take a closer look at the various status options available to you. Typically, you'll find options like Active, Do Not Disturb, and Away. These are standard settings that let your team know your current availability. Select the Do Not Disturb option. This essentially toggles Clickup to reflect that you're unavailable or offline. This doesn't just mute your notifications, it also signals to your team that you're not going to be checking in on messages at the moment. Although Clickup doesn't explicitly label this as offline, selecting Do Not Disturb effectively gives you the offline experience, since notifications won't pop up and team members are less likely to contact you with quick questions. It's especially useful if you're deep into a project and need that focused time free from anyone expecting an immediate response. However, do remember to inform your team that even though you might be appearing offline, you're still actively working on tasks. This helps manage expectations and keeps everyone on the same page. Once you've set your status, remember to periodically check your messages or tasks, since you'll need to manually decide when to re-engage with notifications. This step is key to ensuring you don't miss out on any high-priority tasks or updates. When you're ready to switch back to receiving notifications as normal and appearing online, simply revisit the same menu and select Active to update your status. This will return your notification settings to normal, and your team will see that you're available for collaboration once again. In summary, while Clickup doesn't have a straightforward offline option, this simple adjustment serves the same purpose. It provides a great way to focus on your tasks with fewer disruptions. So give it a try next time you need a little peace and quiet to get those tasks done. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tip helps you maximize your productivity in Clickup.